QizhongCarbon carbon factory, located in Ningxia, known as Coal City on the Seas, provides unique resource advantages for our columnar activated carbon production. We specialize in the production of highly efficient coal-based columnar activated carbon, and our factory is equipped with advanced production equipment and a strict quality control system to ensure that each batch of products meets industry standards. Selecting high-quality coal as raw material through high-temperature carbonization and activation process, the columnar activated carbon forms a rich, porous structure with excellent adsorption capacity. The plant is equipped with 13 sets of externally heated carbonization furnaces and 13 sets of sleep activation furnaces. With the efficient operation of these equipments, we are able to consistently and steadily produce high-quality columnar activated carbon to satisfy a variety of needs. The shape of the columnar activated carbon gives it greater mechanical strength and ensures efficient performance in a variety of applications. With our high-quality columnar activated carbon, we serve a number of environmental protection fields and help industrial and environmental protection projects run smoothly.